Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a flashing notification for your Super Chat subscribers. Keep watching to find out how. Okay, so today we're going to use the power of IFT or IFTTT to create a little applet so that when you receive a Super Chat message in your live streams, then you can trigger an output. Now in this particular case, we're going to trigger our Hive active plug, and we're going to tell the plug to turn on for a small while to illuminate our LED party light, which is here. So the theory being, when you get a subscriber, it's an interaction. It's basically a way of them getting some feedback, of seeing that they've had a Super Chat, and also it's a notification for you, so you don't have to keep on looking at your screen. You can see lights flashing, I've had a Super Chat, what's the message? So let's show you how to set one of these up. Now first we need to be set up in IFTTT and have all your home devices and all your stuff set up already. This is just a way of kind of binding it all together. So the first thing we want to do is click on New Applet. And we want to now create our trigger. So if this, so in this section we want a YouTube trigger. So we choose YouTube. And what we want is a new Super Chat message. So this trigger fires when there is new Super Chat message in the live chat during a live stream on your channel. And you get the option for different color tiers, so you can check whichever color tier you want, but we're just going to go with any. And then we're going to create the trigger. So we've created our trigger, now we want to have something to happen, or that. So we want to choose an action service. Now in our case, like I said, we're going to be using the Hive active plug. So we're going to search for Hive. Obviously you can choose this if you've got a different smart plug vendor. Check, they may well be in the list. If not, you can probably get it added on if you speak to IFTTT support. So we're going to use the Hive active plug. And now we have to choose the action for that plug. So you get the option to turn it on, a plug for a specific duration, turn off the plug, or toggle the plug on or off. So I want to turn the plug on for a specific duration because we don't want to keep it on and we don't want to toggle it on or off. We want a small burst. So we're going to choose plug number 1 because that's the only plug we've got set up on the system, and the duration we're going to set to 30 seconds, which if I haven't noticed it within 30 seconds, then I'm never going to notice it at all. I think that's more than enough. So we'll create the action. So now we can review and finish our new applet. So if a new Super Chat message, then turn on plug 1 for 30 seconds. Awesome, exactly what we want. So all we need to do is click on finish. And there we go, it's now in my applets. So that's ready and waiting to go. So if you want to see if it works or not, then head over to our live streams on a Friday or Saturday evening and you can check out for yourself. If you want to throw us a Super Chat, you could see if the disco ball lights up and how cool it is. So I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To. This has been how to set up a Super Chat notification for your subscribers using IFTTT and home automation. We'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.